In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore a Samsung Gravity 2 to factory settings and wipe the data clean. First thing you need to do is go to Menu, Settings, Reset Settings, Master Reset. Now you just have to make a password. So I'm going to do that now, my own personal password. And I made a password, so I'm going to go to Confirm. Now it's going to ask you Reset Settings. Yes. The phone is now going to reboot. Okay, so the phone has been restored to factory settings and the data has been wiped clean. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up the video and thank you for tuning in.